Welcome back to the channel TechTube. In this video, we're simply gonna look at how to sign in to your OnlyFans account. Now let's begin. Do note that I'm already on to OnlyFans.com. In case you have not, go to it right now. Once you've done that, you will be redirected to the homepage right here. From here, do note that you can simply log in by entering your email address and password right here. And do note that you have the option to sign in with Twitter, Google or passwordless sign in case you have enabled it for your account. Now what I'm gonna do is simply enter my details right here, that's my email and password. Do note that in case you do not remember your password, what you guys can do is simply click on this button called as Forgot Password, and as such, just follow the process and you will be able to recover your account. Right now all is good with me, so I'm simply gonna click on login. And that is it guys. That's how you sign in to your Twitter account. Well guys, that's it. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We're gonna be uploading videos like this. Until next time, thank you.